What's your name?
My name is Samuel.
Samuel. Next one.
Slimzy Samuel.
Samuel.
Yes, Slimzy Samuel.
That's Calapis. Okay. Alright, Johnny Ziba. Let's go.
Like, as you are playing your account, when you start, how did you take out, like, having the money to refund it back? What do you do? When make you get the money, like, what do you do? I want to know.
My name is Allah Sheikh. People call me for Oshere. And I'm not here to motivate you all. I'm here to introduce power. I'm here to introduce influence. I'm here to introduce the market itself. We have been seeing screenshots. We have been seeing different screenshots of profits up and down like small Willie. And we know the person that influences the mind of the people. Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage of FNE 2026, with a standing ovation, with a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, on the stage of FNE 2026, give it up for FOREX.
As at this time, when I got here, people are still at the venue, so we just say waiting out for happy. Some people are still coming, so here we are. You're waiting. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Catch here.
You fight for me. Like the earliest time me I need to my only know this so with this mic as a loud pitch, make I talk about the third time. Remove your earphone so that you will hear well. Don't say yes, don't say no, don't say don't say don't say of course, and don't say okay. Don't say yeah. Yeah is yes, so don't say yeah. Abi? Yeah is yes, Abi. Abi? No, go. Are you ready?
Ready.
So, see how I'm holding the mic. Don't be bringing it. Just stay like this and be answering me. As I'm asking you, you are dropping. You are not wasting time. You are not stuttering. You are not thinking about it. Class goes. Now what do you do now? You get them?
I'm ready.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Clark.
Clark what? Clark what? Are you a Christian or a Muslim?
I am a Christian.
You are a Christian. Beautiful. What's your favorite food?
Favorite food should be egusi soup and
Egusi soup and fufu. Egusi soup. You don't like rice?
I don't think I like rice.
You don't think you like rice? You're sure you don't like rice?
Not as much as I like egusi soup.
Not as much as you like egusi soup. What team do you support?
I'm an Arsenal fan.
All Arsenal fans, make some noise. Is Arsenal winning the Premiership League?
We are going to win the Premier League.
Are you sure?
We are going to.
So you heard him. Don't say this. What's his name?
My name is Chinoso.
Chinoso, where are you from?
From Abia State.
Where in the State are you from?
Onitsha.
Baba, come, Joe. A round of applause for him. Is it that good? No, I was just going to have fun. Nobody's going to flog you. Hi, Davidson. What's your name? Okay. What's your name, sir? Huh? Ayo Lawrence. Okay. So it's a good thing that you're a Yoruba man, so we could do this together. So, Kola, Adeshina, Kehinde, Kunle, Ambode, Tilewa, Shade, Oluwa Busayomi, Oluwa Dubelowomi. A round of applause for him. You don't win him. I will not say God will thank me. Now people will thank God. A round of applause for him. A round of applause for him. All right. So you can see that this thing is not that deep. Nigeria, we are too serious. What can they play? Get the age we go reach, go like, Mama, I want young again. Now we did play. Don't let pressure hold you. I love that name, Ayola. A round of applause for Ayola. Ayola. Okay, let's do something different. You think I will be calling you a man only? Let's do something different. But Ayola, I think I like your shoes. They're nice. Simple, but it's money go, stupid money go there, and we don't wear stupid jeans, but they deceive us. Who's a sharp? Are your guy? So I hope you know that, especially in Nigeria, you know that, oh, this is beautiful, a round of applause for our place. So, Adeomi, let's do the Yoruba. What can I give the guy? One of them is. So let's do Yoruba names. Because you are Yoruba, so it will be convenient for you. So Yoruba names that you know, I give you one, Are you ready? Adeomi.
Seriously?
Calm down. I'm in shock with Kilade. She just went near where the whole thing say you come out. Good. Nice. She changed her for me on the spot. I don't think this will come down. Take shipping. Okay, let's start again. Abiodun. Adewumi. Adewumi. Sheofumi. I won! Make some noise for the MC! A round of applause for her. Let's go! Some people don't lose guard already. Calm down. You don't see people like this. How you doing? So I'm going to ask you general questions, so just answer me. In no particular order. Give me a Nigerian car brand. Name of a Nigerian car brand. Yes. Please, don't be giving her the answer. If I call you, it's like someone mentioned it. That's what you are not looking. If I say you don't need it. Okay, a popular Nigerian soup. Where are you from? Yes, normal person will not say afam soup if you don't be. See, if a cross-Siberian or an Akwa tells you about afam soup, no, accept because then Sabian, you know, they joke, then Sabian. All right, let's continue. A popular Nigerian fast food brand. Nigerian fast food brand. Okay, that works. A popular Nigerian male secular artist. Ashake. A popular Nigerian female artist. Yesterday was her birthday, right? Yes. A popular Nigerian hotel. A popular Nigerian president. A popular Nigerian footballer, female footballer, rather. Somebody said female, so I don't call male, it's your gender. You don't know. A round of applause for her, please. She tried. A round of applause for her. It was good at Hero. The girl.
FOREX trader with over 8 years of real market experience. Davidson is a strategist, investor, thought leader, an entrepreneur, and a passionate leader of people. I mentored traders in over 120 countries, guiding them from confusion to confidence and from guesswork to precision. But its influence goes far beyond paid mentorship. Through hundreds of free YouTube live training sessions, courses, and global webinars, Jeffrey has remained deeply committed to one mission: empowering young people to take control of their finances and approach trading with clarity, discipline, and purpose. Driven by a deep passion for transformation, the journey from grass to grace, he has earned a reputation not just as a trader, but as a kingmaker, raising disciplined traders, not dependent followers. That vision gave birth to the FOREX MILLIONAIRE EXPO, a groundbreaking platform created to unite Africa's finest trading minds, where knowledge meets opportunity and trading is thought not as a gamble, but as a business. Ladies and gentlemen, with a standing ovation, let us welcome the convener of the FOREX MILLIONAIRE EXPO, a mentor, a strategist, and a leader shaping the future of Forex in Africa. Jeffrey Benson.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Jeffrey Benson. A round of applause for yourself, please. How many of us came prepared today? Oh, just a few people. How many of us came prepared today? Alright, thank you so much. I want us to do something real quick before we have our seat. I want everybody to stand up. Please be on your seat, be on your seat, be on your seat. And be on your feet, please. Be on your feet. Alright? It's simple. People are not just only celebrating me because I'm just Jeffrey Benson or I just came out from nowhere or because of the cars they've seen. They're celebrating the process. They've been able to see how this guy has been able to join me from his small bedroom when I was just living with my brother and another person, my brother here, to take care of me. Yeah. So you have seen a young guy who was able to do that from his bedroom and now he's currently where he's currently at. That's what people are celebrating, the process, the journey. So, today, the simple reason why we are here is to recognize those people that are also where I was about 9 years ago. Is to tell you that you guys can get there and even do better. You guys can own all of these things that you see me do and you will do even way better if only you have the right information and execute pretty fast. So the reason why I want you guys to stand up is I'm dedicating this FOREX Millionaire Expo. Oh, should I even say FOREX Billionaire? I'm dedicating this FOREX Billionaire Expo to all those people who are just alone, confused, fighting within and without, just in front of their smartphone, in front of their computer, laptop, in their bed. I want to say keep going, keep grinding, keep placing that trade. Your 0.01, keep upgrading that. Keep doing what you're doing. So I hereby dedicate this FOREX Millionaire Expo to all of you. Round of applause to you guys. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Samuel.
Samuel. Next one.
Slimzy Samuel.
Samuel.
Yes, Slimzy Samuel.
That's Calapis. Okay. All right, John Ziba. Let's go.
Like, as you are playing your account, when you start, how did you take out, like, having the money to refund it back? So, what do you do? When make you get the money, like, what do you do? I want to know.
Let's take culture. How do you know TikTok? With Instagram, or what about Black Friday? So many of you know about Black Friday because of Junior, right? But these are things that always long existed. So with the advent of internet, we have been able to see things that people have been profiting off of for many years. But just that we didn't know. So back then, in 2017, 2016, if you go on the street and ask someone, what is Forex trading? I'm sure they'll tell you about Forex. Alright? What do you mean? Are you misspelling Forex for Forex? But now, apart from being an artist, almost everybody now want to be like Jeffrey Benson. Why? I'm a Forex trader. Alright? So why do we come to this extent, or how have we been able to move things to this extent? What is this about? What is the news about? Oh, we've got some Pablo Escobars in the house. A round of applause for him. A round of applause for him. So, in this fast-changing world, it is very important that we keep changing. We should be very unique in whatsoever we do. I love this style. See how it came now, be very unique. One of the things I've opened FOREX MILLIONAIRE EXPO to also is to preach freedom. Freedom of mind, freedom of thought, geographical freedom. Some of you cannot even travel out of Nigeria now. Some reasons best known to you. I want to mention the major reason why you don't want to travel. Some, I don't want to say financially. I don't want to say that. Some, they're grounded. But I know, is anybody having financial problem here in the house? Nobody. It's called FOREX MILLIONAIRE EXPO, right? Is that not the name? FOREX MILLIONAIRE. So I don't expect anybody to be having financial difficulty in the house. But even if you do, don't worry, I'm not going to go back to sin. Thank you very much. I want you guys to make sure that you come with your right. If you don't have the writing pad, I mean, everyone has a smartphone right now. Open your notes, jot a lot of knowledge that's going to be coming out from this place. And if you do have any question, this is one of your opportunities for a one-on-one conversation with your mentors that you never would have ever thought that you see them one-on-one. I think a round of applause for FME for that. If not for FME, where would you be seeing that one-on-one to talk to you in the street? I mean, if not for FME, where would you be seeing Kelvin Dallin to talk to one-on-one? Or even Harvey? Or even me? You understand? But FME has made that very easy to bring all your favorite mentors that has tutor you for who you're becoming, for you to be able to ask questions one-on-one. Alright, so I want you guys to make sure you note really key important things. There's going to be a lot of things that's going to be shifting your mind here. There's going to be a Q&A section. There's also going to be, we sitting down here, the panelists. You can get to ask a question, and the question that I know you guys have always been asking. But before I leave, I'll let just two people to ask me a question that will be dying to want to know the answers to about me or anything in general. So if you have any question, just raise your hand. Then I will let the organizers just pick two people, maybe one male and one female, so that we can be gender balanced. So I just wanted to ask a question, maybe regarding FME, regarding trading, anything in general. So let's take two people. It's not a long time. I need someone else. Let someone else answer. You already have that opportunity. I know you so much, do someone else.
Good afternoon, my mentor. On YouTube.
Good afternoon. What's your name and what's the question?
Okay, my name is Abiodun. I want to ask you a question that you said you started very, very early. So I want to ask you that when you were in a massive drawdown, like what kept pushing you forward? Who was like inspiring you? Because me like this, it's on God.
Even me like this, it's on God too. Okay, let's take the second question so I can answer everything once and then wrap up.
The great Jeff.
Nice one.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise
Thank you. Can we get back to business now? No worries, just follow the process. Thank you. You may be comfortably seated at this time. Thank you. The very first panel session is about to begin now. Thank you.
One voice has risen with focus, precision, and purpose. I engage David, widely known as DAX, is a trader, strategist, and portfolio builder whose influence extends across Nigeria's financial landscape. Rooted in both technical mastery and real-world pragmatism, DAX blends analytical rigor with market intuition, helping traders understand not just how the market moves, but why it does. He has shared stage at major financial forums, challenging traders to master one skill before diversifying, a principle that separates winners from wanderers. Beyond the charts, he is a creator, an entrepreneur, shaping brands and strategies that speak to the future of Nigerian finance and global markets participation. Today, he brings his insights, his edge, and his clarity to the stage, encouraging every trader here to trade with purpose, precision, and confidence. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ayodeji Ogunjoyi DAX.
Very good, thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have another very fantastic high flyer. He is a man of many parts, a man that we are proud to be associated with, a man that has shown consistency and has shown process, and now he can lead other people along the way. Ladies and gentlemen, with every fiber of your being that you have, make some noise for Calvin!
In a world where discipline separates professionals from bystanders, one man's journey stands as a testament to resilience, transformation, and mastery. From humble beginnings to becoming one of Nigeria's most respected forex and crypto traders, Calvin Osita, known to many as Kelvin Talent, has redefined what it means to turn adversity into advantage. With a story that stretches from daily grind to high-impact market strategies, Calvin embodies the belief that real success in the market does not come from luck, but from structured learning, disciplined execution, and unshakable focus. He has built a thriving trading community that prioritizes process over promises and consistency over clout, teaching traders to see the charts not just as numbers, but as opportunities for disciplined growth. Today, Kelvin brings his insights, his grit, and his unique perspective to the stage to challenge, to uplift, and to equip every trader here to trade with intent and clarity. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Calvin Osita. Calvin.
Thank you very much.
Because you need money to do certain things in life. That style of trading very much is the reason why a lot of people here, or a lot of traders, are not profitable, because they always want to trade every day. They are actually pressured to make money, and that way they're obviously never going to make money from the markets. So yeah, I thought that was pretty much the time I was able to
Round of applause, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Okay.
Yes, what point at what point did you personally realize that survival trading was limiting your growth?
Okay, it's actually known as that I started from the bottom. So it's kind of like when I started trading, I was actually trading to survive. So it's not even like I started with survival trading or whatever, right? I was trading to survive, trading to like ease, trading to like skill up, right? Now Jeff made mention of something when one guy asked a question and was like, getting into trading, make sure you have a skill, right? So coming into trading here, I was into business, like I said, spare parts and stuff like that, and that was how I was able to fund accounts, trade, blow it, fund account, trade. My main aim that period was to just how much can I make today? How much can I make tomorrow? This month I want to make like $500, convert it to Naira. I know how much it is, I know how much is my bank account, a big boy. There was no structure, there was no goal, there was no aim. And when you are trading for survival, you are only trading for the moment. And it's going to limit your growth. Because if you want to grow in trading, you need a perfect structure. And that perfect structure has to do with a perfect plan, a strategy that can actually help you scale up. You're not thinking about right now. So I'm going to say this to you right now. If you're trading and you are struggling right now, accept that struggle. Yeah? There are some pleasures right now that you need to sacrifice for now. This is something I actually did not know then. My own is, if I make money this week, in fact, my first trading profit was what I ever used to get my first iPhone. Yeah? But when you make profits, you want to scale up, you want to compound. The main goal is for the future. It's not something you want to make the money today because Kevin is driving a Benz or Jeff is driving a Lambo. You think you can actually do it in 1 year. It's not possible. So when you stop trading for survival and you want to start trading for growth, then you have to let go of every current pressure right now, and focus on a particular plan that can help you scale up. It doesn't matter if it's going to take you 3 years, 4 years. It took me 5 years to get to where I am today, right? I was doing rubbish for the past 2 years, struggling and just doing rubbish. I was making profit, but I was not seeing it, right? So it took me 5 years. When I woke up, it was in 2022 to understand that, bro, you've made a lot of money, but the money disappeared. No trace of it. Where did it go to? Then you see that there are some people that are also making that same amount of money, but they are doing something tangible with it, and they are growing with it. But you want to make everything, pack everything under 1 month or under 1 week. It's about just a trading plan already, right? A well-structured plan on what you are going to do with your profits when it comes, how to handle losses and all that. You will see yourself scale up gradually from there. So,
Thank you.
like I said before, when you are doing trading as a business, let me use the illustration I used before when I said when my brother was going through his journal, he's going to check out those particular projects that are doing well and those that are not doing well. And what is he going to do? He's going to buy more of those that are doing well and less of those that are not doing well. Same thing with losses here. When you experience losses, you journal it. What are you doing? You are trying to identify those losses, identify your mistakes, so that you're not going to repeat it next time, right? Some of us are actually stubborn, right? Some of us are actually stubborn because there are some losses that we see today and we'll be like, oh, this is what I did. I'm not actually going to do this again. I journal it down at all, right? Then next week, you are going to take another lesson. You'll be like, I'll be more. I still the same thing again. I do something like that, yeah? So we are humans, yeah? We tend to make mistakes. But if you actually want to go far with trading, accept that losses are part of the game. It's going to be there. But the main work, the main thing you are actually going to focus on is try to make sure you are winning more than you lose. You understand? Try to minimize the losses and maximize the wins. Wins more and loses less.
Wow. Try to minimize the losses.
It actually depends on where you stop at first, right? But when you are coming back to trading, don't just jump into the market and start trading the current chart. When you are coming back, make sure you dedicate time to study those past price action when you are away. be able to understand what the market is actually doing, because the market tells a story, right? So when you leave the market for like 1 month, you miss 1 month of accurate data. So when you are coming back, you need to go back to the chart to understand what price is actually doing, to be able to follow that story before you actually start trading again. So whatever the reason is why you actually stop trading, maybe when you are done fixing it and you are coming back to the chart, dedicate adequate time to study first before you even deposit money to trade again.
Ladies and gentlemen, we come to the very first panel discussion. And can we please give a resounding applause to Dax and Kelvin? They have done well by tearing this down so that we can understand very well. Please, can you stand for a group photo? They're going to take pictures at this time, and then we will be heading straight. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, a round of applause for them. You love him, you know him. Please make some noise for Danny Freeze!
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. I've been given 7 minutes, so let me time it. Hello, everyone. Do we have winners in the house? You see, there's so many things I want to say. I don't know where to start from, but I'll just start anyway. I'll start with astronomy. We look at a star in the sky. If the star is 100 light years from us, if that star is formed today, it'll take about 100 years for us to see it. Because it takes a certain time for light to travel. The sun takes 8 minutes. The light of the sun takes 8 minutes to get to us. I'm going somewhere with this, go with me. It also means that if that same star died today, you will still see it for 100 years. What am I saying? The next star is already born, but you can't see it yet. And it works the opposite way as well. Because some big stars are already dead, but they can't see it well. They can't see it yet. You are sitting beside the next star you just don't know. So collect the number of that person you're sitting beside. Let it not be like Jeff Benson said. That 5 years ago he was in a seminar sitting beside people. Forex, I did a bit of Forex. When I blew my account like 5 times, I just left and faced my own job. So I can tell you it's not easy. But there's one thing that from my career that I can tell you works. Actually 2 things. 1, consistency. And 2 is staying young. I'm going to be 50 this year. But I surround myself with 20-year-olds, 25-year-olds, Jeff, Abby, Pella, Egungun. You see, the next star is amongst us already. Stay young, just like you are staying consistent. You can't mess with that. Stay young. The younger people, all these magic that they're doing now with Forex, there's some 19-year-old that is hacking the system that will come with one idea that will revolutionize, if I'm getting that correct,
the entire industry. And you are sitting beside that 19-year-old, 20-year-old. So give yourselves a round of applause. What saved me from relocating back to Ibadan when I was doing Forex and I blew my account was the fact that I had a day job. Keep your day job until you're ready. Don't look at the Ferrari, don't look at the Lamborghini and think that, There's a saying that says a fool and his money are soon parted. You can blow that account, but make sure you have a day job. And I want to use that as an opportunity to announce the presence of my lovely wife, Taste Buds Culinary Academy Culinary Director. A lot of people are asking what's a culinary academy? Where chefs are trained. She's a partner with Sheraton. Come on, let's get that. Sheraton International Hotel. And she teaches young people how to become chefs. Would you believe that there are hotels looking for chefs and there are no chefs? When people tell you there's no work in Nigeria, I'm going to Canada, you want to go and carry bedpan and be a nurse. That's what you're going to do in Canada. Sorry, you want to go and wash your hands. There are jobs in Nigeria if only you knew where to look. And the FOREX Millionaire Expo is where you should come with your magnifying glass. Because there are jobs being created every minute here. Give yourself a wonderful round of applause. And a big shout out to the people that made this happen.
In Lagos in particular, especially at the marketplaces, you hear someone shouting, Oloyo Pomo. What does that mean? A, jump into the express. B, I will break your head. C, clear road for me. Oh. I don't know yet, not grow. Finish this song. Finish this song. This kind God, another one. Who sang it? Who sang it? Who said Naramai? If you said Naramai, let me see your hand up. If it's short for you, put your hand up. Someone from that place said Naramai. Brother Naramai. Okay, I need someone that is as confident as anything. If you are a forex trader, you should be confident. I need one person that is confident to come. One person come. One person. Come on, clap for him now.
One person, everybody's feeling the
Sir, don't worry, I'm coming. Let me just. Okay, don't worry, you use this man. So you are going to say these words as fast as possible 5 times. But you confident, I mean no confident. You don't dare say, you don't think go back, I mean, sorry. It's very simple words, everyday words, right? The sun shall soon shine. Very simple. 5 times, actually 7 times, the sun shall soon shine. 7 times without blank. Are you ready? He's out now. Let him talk. You will not allow him to talk. Calm down. Are you ready? Please, give him a round of applause. Let's encourage him. Stop. Okay. You got to go. And I forgive you gift too. So it's okay. Okay, I need a lady this time. A lady, a confident lady. Please come. A round of applause for her. She's coming.
Attention, attention, if you're not spending money, go, 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 go.
Hi, how you doing? Please, a round of applause. What's your name? Elizabeth. Please put your hands together for Elizabeth. So you heard, so it doesn't look like I'm changing it. So you're going to say, the sun shall soon shine 6 times, because you're a lady, let's reduce it small. 6 times without blabbing. And you have to be very fast. Not, the sun shall, no, the sun shall soon shine. Like that. Are you good? 3, 2, 1. Please, let's hear her. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
The sun shall soon shine.
A round of applause for her. See, you are not nice. You don't even celebrate them. You will not make effort to. Then someone will be trying, you will be laughing at the person. Can you celebrate Elizabeth? Clap for her. Are you moving from Alakoto? Okay. But now I need a guy. If he's short for you, come. This guy already raised up his hand.
The sun shall soon shine, 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 the sun shall soon shine.
Yeah, round of applause for this guy. He can't have me look at that. Hold on, though. He can't have me look at that. Yeah, if you get that, go where I'm going. I should give him something. I'm going to myself. Where is Baby? Congratulations, thank you. I owe you a recharge card. I'll give you a recharge card. I'll send you a recharge card. I'm serious. I will. Hello, is he your recharge card? What network do you use? MTN. You're not stuttering, you're not stammering, you're not shaking or wavering, any of that. Just hit it head on. You are doing it, no, 6. We did guys 7, so we're doing 6 for you. That's fine, I mean. So, ladies and gentlemen, please be quiet so that you can hear her very well and enjoy her accordingly. Khadijat, your time starts now. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
The sun shall soon shine, 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 the sun shall soon shine.
This is beautiful. Khadija, what network do you use? Excel. Okay. My assistant's going to send you a recharge card as well. Round of applause for her. Thank you. The guy, Femi, right? Is it Femi? In the forex trading industry, ladies and gentlemen, you know him, you love him. The next set of person you're going to be seeing on the stage, make some noise for Harvey Event.
He is based in Nigeria and he has a following of over 1 million people across his social media. Apparently, he is the highest paid day trader in Africa. Apparently, his life is like a movie. If you just look at his social media, you will quickly find out that he is living that lifestyle that you wish you could live. He has cars, planes, expensive holidays, expensive jewelry. He goes on very expensive shopping trips. He is ticking all of the boxes that new traders think about when they think of a successful trader. And it is no other than Harvey FX.
Ladies and gentlemen,
2026. My name is Allah Oshe, people call me for Oshe. And I'm not here to motivate you all. I'm here to introduce power. I'm here to introduce influence. I'm here to introduce the market himself. We have been seeing screenshots. We have been seeing different screenshots you're not divided. And we know the person that influences the mind of the people. Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage of FAE 2026, with a standing ovation, with a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, on the stage of FAE 2026, give it up for Bobby Forex! Thank you very much. Professor Hardy. But please, teach me how to make money like you. Professor Hardy, I'm big, I know, but please, teach me how to make money like you.
You get it, guys? Now, how many of you guys have been following Happy? If you know the year Happy Forex started trading, I'm going to give you 100K right now. What year? 2017? No. You come. So, this is it, guys. This is it, guys. It's no all about motivation. Forget what you're saying. Forget the cars, man. The consistency is all you need. And you guys know who does it best. Happy does it best. Like, you guys can see me from Baba to a top Forex millionaire. Yeah? So, just be consistent. Forget about the motivation. We are not here to motivate anybody. If you like, give up. If you like, continue. If you like, fail and don't stand up, we don't care about that. All we want you to do is stay consistent. Forex will definitely reward you guys. Thank you, guys.
Hey guys, please settle down, settle down, settle down. Settle down, please. Good morning, everyone. My name is Emily.
Yo, let's settle down, let's settle down, let's settle down, guys. Let's settle down. The giveaways are going to continue, guys. So like my colleague said, we're not here to motivate anybody, we're just here to give you guys a good time. And some people are going to be going away with something today, alright? So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Glory, aka Tijomori of Forex. And I don't want to talk too much, I just want to do what my colleagues have been doing, and I want to do it in a practical way, guys. First of all, shout out to Access Markets for sponsoring this amazing event. And I don't want to talk too much, so we all know Bitcoin has been selling, right? Now, if you are using Access Markets and you caught the sell on BTC right now, I want to see your...
for Williams, leave me alone. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. How are you guys doing today? How are you guys doing today? You're good? Okay. Growth 2 years ago, Richie here started as a barber when he joined the academy, when he joined at the first thing. And you can see how much he has turned into now. Emily here used to up pure water on the road. But you here can see how his life has changed, and so many more lives here that will keep changing. You guys see this? You see this, all this growth online. Anyone here who have been following me maybe since 2018, they were online? iPhone X, I was still doing better. I started trading with Android phone, Samsung. I mean, Richie mentioned something, consistency. And that is one thing I want to talk about for everyone in this room. But before I go ahead, I would love you guys to give a round of applause to the Access Market representative that we have here. Thank you. Please, can you guys so they can see them? Thank you guys. You can have a seat. Talking about consistency.
Clear route. Clear route. Damn. Ah, silence. Damn. This is Cybertron, man. Fuck. Bro, this is Jeff. This is Jeff. Bro. Bro. Damn. Can I touch it? Can I touch it? He's gonna suck me. Ah! Damn. Bro. Bro.
What does it actually mean to wake up to this in your house?
Damn, man.
Every morning,
Bro. Cars. This is a jelly, man. Dude. Sweet, bro.